What's up? Welcome to yet another one. I am Gaston Mapala right here at Maths with Gaston. Today we're having a look at question 1, November 2020. Please make sure that you watch the two videos previous from this one. That was November 2022 and 2021. Now we're solely focusing on 2020. All right. Okay. So we are given an expression here. They said find the values of x for the following expression below, and then they said x should be the element of 11, 5, 0 and 15. All right, the best thing to do here is just to come here and say a, then you substitute these numbers here. Let me see, you're gonna say 9 all over 11 minus x. All right, so now just come here and say, okay, what will happen when x is equals to 11? Let's have a look. Is equals to, put it here, 9 all over 11 minus 11. Okay, 11 minus 11, therefore it means that at the bottom here is going to be 9 over 0, and we all know that anything divided by 0 is therefore undefined. So therefore we just answered 1.3. As easy as that, guys, as easy as that. Sticking to the basics. All right, we just answered this one, so it means x is equals to 11. So now we're left with, we're done with this one. It means it's out of the picture, so we're left with 3 of them. So there's only one here that is not correct. All right, good stuff. So now let's come here and then we'll say, okay, what will happen when x is equals to minus 5? And therefore you are gonna come here and substitute there, say 9 all over 11 minus into minus 5. There you go. Therefore if you were to put this in your calculator, let's go ahead and put this in our calculator, is going to give us a square root of 9 all over 16, which is therefore is going to be 3 all over 4. All right, 3 over 4. What is 3 over 4? 3 over 4 is a rational number, so therefore it means x is equals to minus 5. We just answered number 1. There you go. So we're done with 5. So if we put 0 here, you are only going to have excuse me, if you put 0 here, if we put 0 here, it means we are going to have a. This is when x is equals to 0. We are going to have a is equals to square root of 9 over 11, which is therefore 3 all over square root of 11. Right, good stuff. So therefore, what does this mean? This means that if that's a 0, so therefore it's a root, this one. So it means we're done with this one. We're looking for non-rational, so therefore we're left with 15. So therefore it means that x is equals to 15. So therefore we dealt with this one, and therefore it means x is equals to 15 for non-roots. All right, yes, it makes sense now, because if you say x is equals to 15, then if you were to put it in the OE equation, they are going to have 9 all over 11 minus 15, which gives us negative number there. So therefore you can have a square root. You can have 9 all over minus let me see, minus 3 in this case. All right, yeah, so therefore this is a no root number, because you can have a negative square root number. All right, and that's how you would deal with this question 1 of November 2020. Fairly easy, straightforward. Just substituting the value of x, and then you have to comment whether it's rational, non-rational or undefined. I am Gaston Mapala. I will definitely see you on the next upload, where we'll be dealing with November 2022 question 2. All right, we're gonna do the question 2s for November 2022 up until 2020. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for those episodes still coming up. We're still gonna do question 3, we're still gonna do question 4, we're still gonna do question 5, and we're gonna do the rest of these papers question by question, so that we fairly understand how do they ask questions, how do they want us to answer as well. I am your tutor, the one and only Gaston Mapala. Please make sure that you reach out to me for one-on-one lessons, and we'll make sure that I'll do my best to assist you. See you on the next upload.